Hey, this is Mohammed from Volvo Buffalo, and today we're going over the new Google infotainment system. Here we have the new Google infotainment system. This is where Volvo lets you control everything in the car, all the way from your maps to your radio. Even your phone is connected in here. You can also see all of the cameras on the outside of the car. And there's a bunch of apps you can also download. Some apps you can download are Spotify, Audible, Waze. You can also control your climate through here. You tap on the screen, you control your fan speed, where they're flowing through, and even the temperature in the car. New for 2023, the Volvos have Google built in, which allows you to do some cool stuff like have Google Maps built in. You can download some cool apps. You also have your Google Assistant. Hey Google, sing me a song.
Okay. Here goes. I'm singing a song. I'm your assistant and I'm singing la 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 la.
Thank you for watching the video. Stop by and take one for a ride.